Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Ride the Six Motorcycle channel. Congratulations to you guys on getting me to 1,000 subs. It's been a long time, I'm not gonna lie. Um, Anyways, yeah, so the Suzuki GSX S1000F is done, and I've had another bike in my garage here that I've kind of been working on a little bit off camera, and this is a Kawasaki Z900. So I've been working on it. I picked this bike up fairly cheap because it really wasn't in good shape. The bike didn't start. It was in pieces. Basically, I was handed the ignition off the bike. I think the air box was apart. Exhaust was missing. There's a something in the rear tire, or screw or rivet, so the rear tire needs to be changed out. Don't know what's happened with this bike. It could have possibly been down. There's a little scuff here. You can see it. There's a scuff down here. So this bike could have been down, but overall, like, the condition of this bike is very good. So I have done a bit of work off camera, like I said. It had no tail section. They had some custom little lights here in the rear. I guess the rear tail section that I didn't like, so I replaced this whole rear tail section piece. So yeah, it's another work in progress. I do fix up these bikes and I do sell them, kind of as a little side business. I do ride them all, obviously, and then if someone wants to buy them, I sell them. So, but yeah, this will be the next little project in the garage. Okay, so back to our 1,000 sub thing, guys. I have a couple things here. I'm going to give them away. They've been sitting on my desk for a long time. It's stuff that I've either got at track events or, just stuff that's been given to me. But I'm going to pass this on to you guys. So what I need you guys to do, down in the video, I need you to comment what type of bike you're riding. Very simple. You don't have to put a year in. Just comment what type of bike you're riding, like Z900, GSX 1000, FZ6R, MV Agusta. Just put a comment in below and then put Canada or US. It's a little hard for me to ship anything anywhere else, so we're going to limit this to Canada, US. The first little giveaway is just a small tank protector and a Canadian Superbike lanyard. So I don't think I paid anything for this, but I'm going to ship it to you guys. That's going to be the first prize. Let me see what's in the box here. Second prize is going to be a set of carbon fiber winglets. Now, obviously these aren't official. They're not really designed for any type of bike. They are universal fit. Let's try it out on our Suzuki here. Oh man, that actually looks pretty good, guys. I don't know. What do you think about the winglets? Drop a comment there as well. But yeah, so these are the two things I'm going to give away for the 1,000 subscribers. I may get Half Click up to do his magic and maybe do the draw so that it's impartial. I personally don't really care who wins, guys, but I'm just going to give these away to you guys. So comment below what type of bike you're riding, and then Canada or USA. Alright guys, just a quick little thing. But yeah, thanks for subscribing. Thanks for following me along this little journey. It's been a journey. It's been a number of years, so yeah, come win yourself some stuff. Doesn't cost anything, guys. Just drop the motorcycle, Canada, USA, and I will get this shipped out to you. Alright, don't forget to like and subscribe. I may do a little bit of video here on the Z900 coming soon. I can give you a more in-depth review of what's been done to it, possibly. Alright, if you're out there riding, ride safe. And if you want these little carbon fiber winglets, they actually look pretty cool. You know what to do. Drop your motorcycle in the comments. Canada, USA. One or the other, whichever one you're in.